Hey guys, it's Ariba and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be creating this Ariana style ponytail for you guys. It's a lot easier than it looks. I know the trickiest part about this ponytail is how to do this parting, so I'm going to show you guys a really easy way that I do it. So you're going to start with your hair nice and clean, and you want to smooth your hair out as best as you can. I flat ironed mine last night. And you're basically gonna find the top of your head, okay? So the top of your head is wherever your hand lays flat, okay? And you're going to go ahead and just create a halo parting all the way around your crown. This parting does not need to be perfect. It just basically needs to be roughly your entire crown. And then you're gonna grab your hairbrush and you're just gonna brush back this entire crown. So even though the parting doesn't have to be perfect, you do need to smooth this area out as best as you can, okay? So try and get that as close to perfect as you can. And then you're gonna grab a hair tie and you're just gonna quickly tie this into a ponytail. And that's what you should have. And now you want to create your side swept part. It can be on either side, wherever you want. It doesn't matter. I like to do mine over to the right side, and I like to go above the arc of my eyebrow and kind of find my parting that way. And you're going to create your part like that, nice and quick, nice and simple. So now we're going to take this entire side and we're just gonna kind of part it above the ear, kind of roughly like that. And we're gonna take this entire section and we're gonna pin it underneath our ponytail at the base, okay? And this is kind of your only opportunity to get this area smooth, okay? So I'm gonna go in with a Stronghold hairspray, and you wanna give it a generous spray. And then you wanna grab your brush and you wanna smooth this out and kind of get this to sit exactly how you want it to. And then I also like to kind of hide the parting with this section. So just kind of spread it out a little bit with your fingers. Give it a hairspray. Kind of just play around with it. And smooth it out. So now that it looks like kind of like what I want it to look like, I'm just gonna grab the base of my ponytail and I'm gonna put it forward like this. And I'm gonna take this whole section and I'm gonna leave it nice and flat. Keep your hand here so it stays where you want. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this at the base, okay? So now that it's sitting exactly how I want it to sit, we're gonna now put the remaining hair all the way up in a ponytail, and it's gonna go exactly on top of the first ponytail that we created, okay? And again, this is gonna be your only opportunity to kind of get your hairline exactly how you want it to sit. So go ahead and kind of take the time to really hairspray the hairline or use a gel or a cream, whatever you like to use, and really create a nice clean hairline. I like to do my hairline first and then kind of create the ponytails after. Don't worry about that. That's like the tail from this section. It's gonna get hidden in a second. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start tying up our hair. So I'm just gonna bring all of this hair into this ponytail, okay? Just like that. Nice and seamless. And really take your time, make sure that it doesn't look all funky. You see all the hair from the bottom, it should cover up that section for this ponytail that you created. So try and get this as nice and smooth as you can. So now that it looks like what you want it to, you're gonna go ahead and grab your elastic and you're just gonna quickly tie your ponytail. So it looks really, really cute like this. You can leave it exactly like this, or you can even flip out the ends. My hair's too thick, so the ends won't flip out, but that's also a really cute option. If you are gonna leave it this way, just make sure you grab a small section from the ends here and wrap your elastic band so that this gets hidden, because that's not a good look. I recently got a really, really much needed solid haircut, so my hair is a lot shorter than it usually is. So I have this ponytail extension that I'm gonna clip in, but again, just leaving it like this looks super cute and you don't need the extensions. These are totally optional. So this is a pretty standard ponytail hair extension piece that I have here. It has this clip, and then it also has this piece where you can like wrap it around the ponytail to hide the elastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this clip right in, okay? And then I'm just gonna flip my ponytail, and then I'm gonna grab this piece. We're gonna go all the way around. And I'm just gonna secure that with the bobby pin. So just make sure you hold it at the base so you don't pull it out. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick brush.
And this is the final look. I want you guys to tell me in the comments below if you like this style with the hair extensions or without the hair extensions. I think I like it both ways.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!